good. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make a website for free on Wix. First, you want to go onto wix.com. Once on wix.com, you can tap on Get Started and you'll be redirected to a page on which you'll be able to sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, or your Apple account. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, all you'll need to do is tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. After selecting Create New Site, you'll be redirected to a new page on which you have two options. You can either choose to create your website using Wix AI by tapping on Start Chat, or you could tap on Set Up Without Chat. Normally, I would select Set Up Without Chat. Then you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you can type in what type of website you would like to create. So you can type in any business or any type of website that you would like to create. So let's say, for example, I would like to create a pet blog website. I could do that right there. Or if it is a case that I would like to create a tutoring website, you could type in tutoring and you can see right there, tutoring service. So any type of website you'd like to create, you can do that right here. So I'm going to be creating a portfolio for example's sake. So I'll select portfolio, then I'll tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll be able to enter the name of your website. So I'm going to be calling it test, then tap on continue. From here, you'll be able to select the apps that you'd like to be added to your website. So for example, the portfolio app, the Instagram feed, and if I'd like to add blogs, I could do that. And if it is a case that you plan on sharing videos or selling videos, you can also do that using Wix. Then you'll tap on continue, then select continue to dashboard. After selecting continue to dashboard, you'll be redirected to your Wix dashboard. And I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. For example, you could go over and select portfolio. After selecting portfolio, from here you could upload your portfolio. Depending on the type of portfolio website that you had selected, your options will vary right here. So you can select, if you had chosen photo portfolio, you can select the type of portfolio that you would like to upload and you can continue with the upload. If it was a case that you had selected a website in which you'll be sharing or selling videos, you'll tap on video library from the left hand menu option. Then from here, you could embed any video from YouTube, Vimeo, or Facebook, or you could upload a video. So for example, if I were to select upload video and I were to upload a random video, just for example's sake, I can show you how it is done. So you can see upload in progress. I could tap on the pencil icon right here that says edit video info. You could edit the video title. You could add a cover image or a thumbnail. And you can also scroll down, and from here you could set a price that you would like persons to pay to watch your video. So you could select paid and you could set a price. You can also choose whether you'd like them to be able to download it or not. And you can also scroll down, and from there you can choose if you would like a small section to play. So you can also choose whether you'd like to show a trailer, as you can see right there. And with Wix, you can also set it up so that you can offer booking services and so on. Once you're finished doing that, all you'll need to do now, if it is a case that you want to collect payment online using your Wix website, you will select Getting Paid in the top left-hand corner. From here, you will need to tap on Connect Payment Method. But before doing that, I want you to see that there are numerous options that you have when it comes onto Wix. For example, you can create invoices or payment links that you can quickly share. And if you tap on Connect Payment Method, depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options that you can offer your customers. But keep in mind, to accept payments online, this is when you'll need to go onto a paid plan using Wix. But otherwise from that, if you don't plan on accepting payments, you can use Wix for completely free. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Setup in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you're going to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, you'll be redirected to the Themes page. On this page, you'll see numerous themes that you can choose from. Let's say, for example, I were to select this one. All you'll need to do is tap on Edit. After tapping on Edit, you'll be redirected here, and you could tap in this box and enter some details that you would like to be added to your site, and tap on Generate Site Text, and the Wix AI will generate content that can be added to your website. But normally I would close the box. After you have done that, you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. And at the moment, this is how our website looks. Once on your theme page, all you need to do is hover over Quick Edit in the top left hand corner, and you can start making your changes. So if you wanted to change the section background, you could do that. You can change the text, as you can see right there. If we were to select the header section, you can see the different editing options on the right hand column right here. You can also edit the portfolio section by simply tapping on it. You could change the portfolio section, you could tap on Manage Media, and you can quickly edit that. It is as easy as that to edit any section of your Wix website. If it is a case that you would like to add a section, you can simply hover over it and tap on Add Section. Then from the right hand menu option, you will see different sections that you can add. So for example, let's say I would like to add, let's say, subscribe or any services that we plan on offering. So let's say I would like to add this. I can simply drag and place it right there, and you can see that the services has now been added. And then from there, I could quickly edit the service section. To add any other form of element, so for example a text box, you will tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can see text, image, any element at all that you would like to add. You will find it in this section, and you can simply drag and place it wherever you want on your website. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Publish in the top right hand corner, and your website will now be live. By the way, to view all the pages on your website, you'll tap on Home in the top left hand corner, and you can see all the pages right here. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.